Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing My Friend by Frederick Backman, one of my absolute favorite reads of the year. I get this book 5 stars and honestly, it might even be one of my all-time favorite Backman novels. Let's dive into the story, the characters, and why this book hit me so hard. Without giving away too much, My Friends is about memory, art, and the way one summer can shape your entire life. The novel alternates between two timelines, the present day story of Louisa, an 18-year-old girl, and the past story of four teenagers, Jor, Ted, Ali, and an unnamed artist who spent one unforgettable summer together. From that summer came a painting that would later become world famous. But as with all Batman stories, the real heart isn't just the art. It's the people, the relationships, and the emotional weight of growing up. The past timeline takes us back 25 years. Here we meet Joe, Ted, Ali, and the young artist. Each of them is at that fragile state between childhood and adulthood, figuring out who they are. Their summer together feels ordinary at first, filled with lazy afternoons, small town secrets, and dreams too big for their surroundings. But something happens that makes that summer unforgettable, and out of it comes the artist's painting, capturing not just their faces but their complicated friendship. Bachman writes their interaction so vividly that you can feel the sting of their arguments, the joy of their laughter, and the quiet heartbreaks hiding beneath. What really struck me is how he captures the way teenage friendship can be both tender and brutal, the way a single summer can leave a mark that lasts forever. Parallel to this, in the present, we follow Louisa. She's 18, standing on the edge of adulthood herself, and the world feels overwhelming. She's searching for meaning, and she keeps coming back to that painting of the four friends. To her, it's not just art, it's a doorway to understanding her own life. Her chapters are quieter, more introspective, but they balance the chaotic energy of the past. Louisa is lonely, questioning her identity and looking for guidance. Through her eyes, we see how art can connect generations, how a painting created decades earlier can still speak to a teenager today. Louisa's perspective gave me chills because she becomes a mirror for the reader, lost, hopeful, and desperately needing to believe that stories matter. Let's talk about characters. Joe is impulsive and fury, always challenging the others but also holding them together. Ted feels heavier, more cautious, carrying burdens we don't fully see at first. Ali dreams big, wanting to escape the small town, but her heart is still tied to her friends. The artist is quiet, observant, always sketching, processing the world through art. And then there's Louisa, a present day lens who sees in the painting both who she is and who she might become. Backman's gift is making you fall in love with all of them, flaws and all. You don't just read about them, you feel like you've known them for years. Themes in this novel run deep: friendship, memory, the way art preserves stories, and how we carry the past into the present. It's about growing up, about how friendships shape us even when they fade, and about how every story we live becomes part of a larger picture. Backman's writing is tender and sharp at the same time. He weaves humor into heartbreak, and its prose is filled with moments that make you stop and reread. He's always been good at balancing ordinary life with extraordinary emotion. But in My Friends, he does it with even more maturity and depth. This book broke me in the best way. It's emotional without being manipulative. And it made me think about my own friendships, those I've kept, those I've lost, and the versions of myself that live in those memories. By the end, I wasn't just reading a story. I was holding on to something bigger, something that felt like my own memory. To wrap up, My Friends is everything I love about Frederick Backman. It's heartfelt, funny, deeply human, and it reminds us how much of ourselves we leave in the people we love. I gave it 5 stars without hesitation, and I would recommend it to anyone who loves stories about friendship, art, and the way memory shapes us. If you have read this one, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't, I hope this review inspires you to pick it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.